this is one where we've seen supply cuts weigh on markets before and pump up prices, but not to the extent that we have over the last few weeks. Why is this time different?
Yeah, we're seeing a tighter market in general, Dom. As you know, the inventory levels have been declining. But at the same time, there's still a lot of uncertainty in this market over growth. We saw the Fed hike its rates last month. The U.S. economy, there's still a lot of questions about its growth this year, as well as a lot of mixed data coming out of China. And that's why OPEC Plus, or Saudi Arabia in particular, still need to pursue this policy of precaution. That's the main reason behind them deciding to extend the cuts by another month into September.
If you take a look overall at the way that things are shaping up from a macro perspective, you talk about this idea that we have rising interest rates here in the U.S. That should be a negative for commodity prices, especially things like oil. You talk about maybe some relative strength on a nearer term basis for certain parts of the currency market, especially the dollar. That should be a negative for oil prices. We've also got maybe some fears of a recession that are receding. Is oil now basically telling us that there is no recession coming for not just the U.S., but maybe around the world as well?
That's a really good question. I think that we saw the opposite happen earlier in the year when we saw OPEC cuts and the price wasn't budging. It was staying at a certain level. So this kind of detachment that we're seeing in the market, fundamentals and the price are not really interlinked. That needs to happen in order for us to see the real impact of what's happening here. Are the voluntary cuts keeping prices up? Absolutely, yeah. And they managed to really speed up the process as well. But still, I would say that there are fears of a recession. There are fears of a slowdown. It's not translating into the price yet, but perhaps it will. I mean, if we see OPEC stop the cuts and go back to pumping at full speed, or pumping at levels previously to the agreement where they had the 2 million barrels per day cut, perhaps we'll see that impact on the price. But right now, it's kind of masked by many things, and mainly that fundamentals and sentiment aren't aligned in this market.